Now let's understand what do we mean by a monomer, what do we mean by a polymer here, and what do we mean by a polymerization. So it's a very small experiment which I am showing you here so you can understand. Okay, so I have this handkerchief with me. So this is my one handkerchief. Is it visible properly to everyone?
Yes.
So let's roll it. So this is acting as my one single unit, which is called as monomer. Now let's see. Similarly, I'll have another monomer with me. So this is the second monomer which I have. Now what they were trying to explain you, that you take one monomer, you take another monomer and you bind them together. So this is a binding. So this is first monomer, second monomer. Similarly, you can buy another one and you can join them another one. Then I can take another one, bind them together. So if I have a single unit, so this single unit is called as monomer. Is it clear?
Yes.
As I have bind them together,
Polymer.
which is like a polymer. So you have seen that what they actually magicians do. So they have a pocket. From their pocket you can take out all the ruffles at that time together. So they have created a polymer there. Is it clear?
Yes.
Understandable by everyone? Now see what this process is called. When I was tying them together, this process is called polymerization. Okay. Now understand with the help of a second example. The questions which you were keep on asking, that how we are changing that formula, how we are changing the other things. So this is one of my unit. Now this is my monomer. So monomer has here you can see two part number 1 and part number 2. Is it visible?
Yes.
Similarly, I'll have another monomer with the same unit. So this is one unit I have, this is second unit which I have. Is it visible properly?
Yes.
Now there are two ways I can join them together. I can directly join them together like this one, or the second way which I wanted to change their properties, like how we are doing with the same chemical and we are changing the properties. So I can change it like this, same thing joined, but I have removed their additional properties by using a chemical process. Is that clear? Okay, so this is the first and the foremost thing which we need to understand. That is how the monomers are working and how they are actually moving from one place to another one. So on this note, we are ending the session here. Bye, good night, take care, do revise it because in next session we might have a quiz.